So whenever we're trying to draw in standard position, remember that your initial side of the angle should always be right here on the positive x-axis, and that represents 0 degrees. And then we've got 90 degrees, 180, and 270, and then we'd be right back at 360, and we could just keep that going. So we can tell right away that 205 is going to be in the third quadrant. It's between 180 and 270. In terms of drawing it, it's a little bit closer to 180, so somewhere like right there would be good. And then another important thing to keep in mind is that the arrow tells you which direction you're going. We're going in the positive direction. We want to go counterclockwise because, we could also end up in the same direction going negative as well. So that arrow shows that we just went 205 degrees and we're all set with that one. All right, so letter B, again, initial side is still going to be on the positive x-axis at 0 degrees. And then for negative, we're going to be going clockwise. And so, even though down here this is 270, it's really the same thing as negative 90 degrees as well. So we would go, negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, and I don't quite want to go to negative 360, but pretty close to it. So somewhere about right there. And then I'll extend that arrow going down there. But again, that shows that I went in the negative direction for that 342. And then for 510, that's more than 360. So, and we are going in the positive direction, so we're going counterclockwise, but I need to go one entire revolution first. And if I do 510 minus 360, that gives me 150. So I need to go 150 degrees more after that. Well, 150 degrees is going to be in between 90 and 180. So 90 degrees is here, 180 degrees is there. It'll be a little bit closer to the 180, so about right there. And then I'll keep that going. And what that did was it showed that I went one complete revolution to get there, and then I kept going that extra 150 to get 510 degrees.